Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome high CPU uses. So let's start the video. First, go to your Chrome browser and select the three dots on top of your right screen here, and select more tools here and go to Task Manager. Click it, and here you can see all the tasks that is currently running. You can um, disable any task that is taking a lot of CPU here just by clicking that and click end process. Just like that, you will free up a lot of CPU storage. And after that, the second method is select those three dots again, and here go to extension and select manage extension. Now you have to check the unused extension or the extension that you don't know is currently added to your Chrome. Just like this one, I'm going to remove it. Just click remove and select remove. And after that, your CPU problem will be fixed. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel. And I will catch you in the next video.